Indiana, or LaGrange County, Indiana, near Shipshewana. It's September 19th, and we're looking at a field of ProMax, and this is about a 7-acre field that Kenny planted back in May, or late May, early June, and this has been grazed already 4 times. And one thing I wanted to point out here is you can see the ProMax here where the sign is, and off to the right of the sign here, this is where the Sorghum Sudangrass was. Now again, this has been grazed 4 times, and Kenny just made a comment to me a little bit ago about the fact that if in fact he would have had the Sorghum Sudangrass, all he would basically have is weeds. And you can see here that that's pretty well the case. Now as we walk on over here to the right a little bit more, we notice that in the middle there's a little bit of a strip here again. And this is ProMax again. It was in his drill, in part of the drill. And this was again in this section right here, again the Sorghum Sudangrass, and then back into the ProMax again. One of the things we've noticed on the ProMax is the fact that it has it tillers significantly more. In fact, let's get down here to a plant. You can see there's multiple tillers on these plants. And versus with the other type of plant, there really weren't any tillers. So you can see a few ProMax plants over here in this section, but for the most part the Sorghum Sudangrass is pretty much just one, maybe 2 stems on a per plant basis. So this really makes quite a big difference, and this was planted at 37 pounds per acre. And it really has turned out to be a real savior for Kenny, as he was this past year until August was just bone dry. And he said in August they got 13.5 inches of rain, and this material took off like crazy. I don't know what kind of tonnage, and Kenny doesn't know what kind of tonnage he's had off of this field, but it's significantly more than if he would have had BMR Sorghum Sudangrass, which again is a very good product, but when we're comparing it to ProMax BMR Sudangrass, he's getting significantly more off of his Sudangrass than what he would on his BMR Sorghum Sudangrass. So you can see as we're looking back up the hill, you can see a significant difference here, ProMax being tremendously more available at this time of the year. So Kenny Bontrager in the Shipshewana area is just extremely thrilled with his ProMax.